Class! Today we are going to be doing a review of skip counting. Here is our goal, and you can read it with me. Goal: I can skip count by twos up to the number 100. Let me hear you say, oh yeah, oh yeah. You're going to need some supplies. Now, hopefully Mrs. Hill has already given you your supplies and they're on your desk ready to go. When I say what the supply is, please hold it up so that I know that you have it. Okay, so here we go. Supplies. Do you have number tiles? Do you have your scissors? I do. A green crayon. A baggie. And your itty bitty zero. Step 1, you're going to take your number tiles and your scissors and cut out all of the number tiles along the dotted line. Go ahead and begin. Class! Did you get all that done? I did. Now you have a jumble of number tiles and they're all mixed up, so we need to organize them first. What I want you to do is find all of the 10s. So 10, 20, we're going to put them in a pile. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so I've got them all nice and organized. I'm going to put them over here with my 100. I don't need those for right now. So just put them off to the side. For this video, I'm just going to take them out of the picture so that you don't see them. Have you done it? Okay, next step. You're going to line up all your numbers from 0 to 9. So starting with our 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 9, 6. I knew that was not a 6 because your number should be on top. 7, 8, 9. Then I'm going to count and make sure they're all in the right order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when we skip count by twos, what we're actually doing is skipping over a number. As we jump past it, it doesn't get its turn, it's silent, it doesn't get a chance to talk. We are skipping it. So when we start with 0, we skip count over the 1 and it goes to the 2, then the 4, then the 6, and then the 8. So this time when we count, I'm going to pull those skip counts that I say down towards me. So here we go. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Once you have found your 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, I want you to take your green crayon and color each of those tiles. So why don't you, so you don't get confused, take your 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 and just put them out of the way, and we're only coloring our 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now that you have everything done, you've got it all cut out, you've colored your 0, your 2, your 4, your 6, and your 8, I want you to go ahead and put those numbers back in order again. So go ahead and do yours and I'll do mine. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I'll wait a minute for you to get yours set up. Okay, so let's count all the numbers the regular way that we usually count. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, since we not painted, but colored them green, we can see very easily when we skip over one, the green ones are our skip counting by 2. So let's go ahead and skip count by 2 starting with 0. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. The next number that you're going to need is that 10. And hopefully you put that 10 on top so that you can get to it very easily. Okay, after 9 we know comes 10. So what happens when you skip count and you get to 10? Well, what I want you to do is go ahead, because whenever we have zeros in the ones place, they are a skip count. So we want to go ahead and make that 0 green. Go ahead and make all of your zeros on your 10s, not your 100 yet, just on your 10s. Split it in half and turn the zeros green. Do that now. Class. Did you get all that done? Do you have your 10s done so that the zeros are, and only the zeros in the one place are colored green? Great. So we're going to take a look at mine. I don't want you to mess with yours. Just watch me up here. So we've already talked about how we count our ones places by 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Whenever you count by 2s, you only need to know these numbers in the ones place. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Our next one's going to be 10. And then I just start over again because this already has its 0 on there. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, then 20 is our next one, and it starts us over again with the 0 in the ones place. Then we take that 2, 4, 6, and 8 again. 0's already there. And now we have 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. We're going to put it down, slide out our counting by 2s again, and we're going to start all over again. So we've got 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, well, here we go, we're 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, almost there, there's our 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, and then we have 100. And before I show you that, we have our 100 here. Now when we skip count, we're only looking at the ones place. Not the tens place, not the hundreds place, just the ones place. So it starts over again. I want you to go ahead and take your green crayon and look and see the 0 that I colored green. It's only the one that's in the ones place. Go ahead and do that now. Class, class! Go ahead and take some time to practice the skip counting on your own. Start with the 1s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Build them with your number tiles. Keep going. Can you get all the way up to 100? Say, oh yeah!